Come test drive the 2014 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.